welcome to Cooking with Team Francais. Today we're going to do a special recipe. There's in camera my friend Jack Lancaster,
Hello there.
the best camera guy ever. Well, at first we're going to need some bread. Barbecue sauce, cream cheese, and spinach. Well, now we have several ingredients as the cheese cream, the tomatoes, barbecue sauce, turkey ham,
Barbecue sauce.
sauce. It is sauce. The spinach and the bread. It's time to prepare. So let's
do it.
there you go.
Bloody nightmare.
It's as simple as that to do a baguette with a special recipe. Now,
Cheers, mate.